So being nothing special should not be an option. There are instances when to get something special from God, you got to walk special before God. Can I go to B?
Go to B.
Let me go to B. And I like this. What does Mary teach us? This blows my mind. You can possibly have what God hasn't specifically promised you if you walk right and wait right. You can possibly have what God hasn't specifically promised you if you walk right and wait right. That's what Mary teaches us. Can I talk about this?
Talk about it.
Yeah.
As a Jewish girl, Mary knew her history. All Jews knew their history. Unlike you Christians. Oops. Did I say that out loud?
Yep.
All Jews, unlike modern day Christians, all Jews knew their word. They knew their biblical history. And so Mary knew that Isaiah 7:14, all Jewish young ladies and men knew Isaiah 7:14 that promised some 700 years before Mary lived. Mary knew that the prophet had said some 700 or so years before her that a virgin shall conceive and bear a son. She knew that it was going to be through the loins of a Jewish young lady that the Messiah was going to be born. She knew that, but in no way had that promise been specifically and previously placed in her lap, nor was she even expecting it. We see that through her conversation with the angel. But what did she do? She walked right in sexual holiness, and she waited right, and God gave her what wasn't promised to her. Bill, take that camera from Gina. I got to illustrate.